taking over for, of course, the late William Hurt, who previously played General Ross, last seen, if I'm not mistaken, in Captain America Civil War.
Oo.
Doon pa siya.
Sokovia
Accords pa. Dito, alam mong hindi niya ginagaya si William Hurt eh.
Yes.
Kitang-kita mo na Harrison Ford is bringing his own flavor to the character. Although, you know na he studied up on the character and parang dinagdag niya yung flair niya doon sa kay Ross. Kasi iba yung characterization ni William Hurt kay Ross.
True.
Kasi ang alam ko kasi sa comics, si Thunderbolt Ross talagang sobrang hothead na general na talagang, kaya nga siya yung parang frenemy ng Avengers eh.
Yeah.
Kasi parang isang ganun lang, parang okay, ano naman ang ginawa namin kay Ross. Si William Hurt kasi, we know him from roles before na parang alam mo yung mellow, gentle, controlled.
Diplomat. Parang a career politician.
Yon.
Ganun yung mas feel ko doon sa Thaddeus Ross niya. Pero parang ito yung mas comic accurate eh.
Oo, kasi
Diba?
alam mo yung talagang nagtitimpilan talaga. Oh my God. Talagang,
Para siyang laging ticking time bomb.